morning, ma'am. My name is Divyansh and my partner Kushi. We are from GMHS 30 Sensi. Today we are here to present our project which is based on millets. We have made this project on the topic of millets, as we know that G20 is led by India and they want to give their best to the world. In order to give their best to the world, they have proposed a proposal on the US General Assembly and has declared the 2023 year as the International Millets of the Year on the proposal of India, and its proposal is accepted by the major countries. India is the biggest producer of millets and has produced 40% of millets in all over the world. India is promoting millets in a large number because millets has a large number of nutrients and minerals as compared to wheat and rice. The millets prevent us from cardiovascular diseases as well as heart-related diseases. We have made this project as we have divided it into four proportions, in which we have shown all the types of millets that are grown in India. In this portion, we have shown the portion of India divided by the production of millets in different parts of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Proso, and Maharashtra, Kodo, Kodra millet, Rajasthan, Kol millet.
आप कितने टाइप की मिल्स शो कर रहे हैं, उनके नाम बताओ.
We have shown almost 8 types of millets: barnyard also known as samva, jawar, sorghum, little millet, kutki, brown top millet, andua, and all of these are in a major proportion grown in India. And the third part is to
मिलेट से कितने टाइप की हम डिशेज बना सकते हैं, कैसे कैसे?
There are many dishes we can make from millets. There are different dishes such as bati, khichdi, chapati, bun, pulao, biscuit, and all these are made from millets. We can say
पर
that
आजकल के बच्चे तो फास्ट फूड खाना पसंद करते हैं, मिलेट्स खिचड़ी कौन खाएगा?
if we will made in a tastier way, then they would definitely eat them. As we can see, chapati, pulao, biscuits are also made from millets, which children
ये
like
पिज्जा
to
बेस भी बना सकते हैं इससे?
Yes, yeah, we can also make pizza base through millets. As like if you have to make pizza in the house, you can also make its base from pizza. As we know that the base of pizza is made by maida, which is not healthy for health. But if we
What
will
is the
make
health benefit for
the health
eating
benefits is
millets?
that millets prevent us from cardiovascular diseases, and it also supports a healthy kidney. It has niacin present in it, which is good for expectant mothers as well as children for their growth. It has a large number of nutrients, which is good for growing age of children. So in the last
क्या जीडीपी में भी मिलेट्स का कोई रोल है?
yes, GDP almost $40 billion has been counted in the GDP of all over the world of millets. Counted them.
इंडिया का कितना परसेंट जीडीपी में कंट्रीब्यूट
Almost 40% of the millet production is contributed by India in all over the world.
एक्सपोर्ट में इंडिया कितने नंबर पे आता है मिलेट्स के एक्सपोर्ट करने में? फर्स्ट नंबर पे. ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इंडिया एक्सपोर्टिंग में फर्स्ट टाइम है. और इंडिया के कौन से पार्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा मिलेट्स ग्रोन किया जाता है? राजस्थान में. इसके अलावा और
वो तो मैम वो तो एक नज़र मार
किस में किया जाता है?
किसमें?
हाँ, मैक्सिमम कहाँ ग्रोन किया जाता है राजस्थान के अलावा? महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक.
Grown in Rajasthan as it is a very humid, familiar weather in growing millets. Therefore, the
हाँ, हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो.
major proportion of millets are grown in Rajasthan.
ये कौन सी मिलेट्स है?
In the Rajasthan, the major is pearl millet. Therefore, the bajra is pasted there in order to show the
बाजरा को
proportion.
पर्ल मिलेट्स क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि पर्ल्स की तरह गोल गोल दाने होते हैं, इसलिए.
Yes, its
ये
shape
ज्वार?
is like its shape is like a pearl. Therefore, it is called pearl millet. And there,
और ये रेड कलर के ये कौन सा मिलेट्स?
these are ragi millets, and they are red and have richest nutrients and highest content of calcium also. It has
बाजरे में कौन कौन से मिनरल्स होते हैं?
वो तो हम ये रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे कि सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें होते हैं, तभी हमने फर्स्ट पे रागी रखी है, क्योंकि
नहीं, वैसे बाजरे में कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं?
बाजरे में होते हैं कैल्शियम कंटेंट भी होता है उसमें, और नियासिन भी उसमें ज़्यादातर प्रेजेंट होता है. उसमें ग्लाइकोजन इंडेक्स कम होता है.
नियासिन का क्या काम होता है?
Niacin, the role of niacin is to niacin provides a healthy healthy diet, as well it works on our physical conditions, such as therefore it is good for expected mothers and the growing children also.
कौन है जो इंडिया में ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, कौन किसने बनाया है?
Of millets in India is Lahari Bai, who is a 20
लहरी या लौरी भाई?
Lahari Bai.
कहाँ से है ये?
She is from Jharkhand and belongs to a tribal caste and has preserved up to 150 types of millets in her life.
हमारे जो पीएम है वो भी कुछ स्पेशल एम्फेसिस कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर।
Therefore, in the government schools, there are campaigns going on in order to promote millets and
क्या मिड डे मील में भी मिलेट्स को दे सकते हैं?
दे तो सकते हैं, मिलता नहीं है वो अलग बात।
दे सकते हैं, नहीं आता भी, अब खिचड़ी आने लगी है मिलेट्स से। चल